Okay, solving quadratics using the square root method. It's basically two steps. We isolate the x squared, and then we square root both sides. It only works when they're missing the b term. So if you look at the standard form, it's clearly missing the b in there. And then we can use the square root method. So let's look at example 1. Okay, so we have x squared minus 16 equals 0. So the first thing we want to do is isolate this x squared right here by adding 16 both sides. Okay, when I do that, these cancel. I get x squared equals positive 16. Okay, next thing I do now that the x squared is isolated, we're going to square root each side. Okay, and when I do that, I get x. Okay, so the square root of x squared, since they're inverses, they cancel, leaving just the number, or in this case, our variable x. All right, so the other thing with square roots, because of the nature of quadratics, we don't know if it was a positive number that's been squared or a negative number, because when you multiply both by the same sign, they always come out positive. So what we have to use is a plus minus. Okay, and then the square root of 16 is 4. So our answer would be x equals plus or minus 4.